Alright, to set up your IP phone DTC 500, this is what you do, right? Open up your web browser and enter the IP address of your IP phone, right? In my case, this is the IP address 192.168.1.77. Right, once the page load, you will see a login screen. The default password is admin, ADMIN. And upon logging in, you will see the SIP setting page of the IP phone. To get the SIP setting, log into your Global Office account, and under telephony management, you will be able to find the domain, alright, your phone number, which is your user ID, and also the account password. These are the three most important things you need to record down. Alright, once you have recorded down those details, right, enter the server address here and enter your SIP user ID, which is your phone account number. Right, your account ID, which is the same as the phone number, and also you can enter the name as your phone number as well. Alright, and then enter the password of your phone account. And rest of the setting, leave it as it is, and go down to your expiry time for your registration and bring it down to 180. Make sure that the port setting is 5060. Right, leave the rest of the fields as default and click on the save button. Right, next open up the option again and go to audio setting, and under preference 5 change it to G2 G729. Right, once all these are done, again click on the save button and do a reboot. Alright, after 30 seconds, log in again, and on the login screen is the same password, admin, and upon logging to your IP phone setup page, go to device status, and under status you should be able to see that the phone has registered. Right, once it indicates a yes, you are ready to make your call using the IP phone.